So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get back missing Safari browser on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to keep in mind is that this is how your Safari icon will look like. Now if I were to click on remove app, this will just mean that I'm going to remove it from my home screen. If I were to remove it from my home screen, that doesn't mean that I've actually deleted the app. It just means that it's moved to the app library. And you can find that easily through your app store and then going through your account and so on. So from here, even if you think it's not on your screen anymore, you can find it, stuff like that. You can open it up here and you can see if I were to type out Safari, it's going to give me this option, so I can just recognize it by this compass logo. And from there, if I were to just hold it a bit and try to manipulate it, you can see here it's really easy to mess around and add it someplace. So if I were to leave it here, you can see right now it's moved from the bottom of the home screen into right now this area that's just here, so I can see it only here. If I were to manipulate it again and take it back to this place, it's going to look something like this. So it's never just gone. You can find it easily by swiping down and finding this on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safari or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.